About to get inside the submarine. It's getting real. Jeez. I'm a little nervous now, boys. All right. Look. Yeah, good, yeah. We're on the platform right now. About to get inside the submarine. It's getting real. Jeez. I'm a little nervous now, boys. All right. She's out.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, yo. Hey. Alright, we're inside the submarine right now. Got the owner right back there, Stockton. That's the toilet.
A food bag, a couple of...
Hopefully we don't have to use that.
You ever had any water leaking in the front?
Yes, half an hour, then they'll put a vacuum on.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, guys. We're sealed. We're in here. Alright. Alright, we're inside and sealed in the submarine. I'm excited. First time in a submarine. It looks really cool in here too. Stockton, I like what you did with the place. Looks cool.
You should have seen when I bought it.
Yeah. Keep in mind what you're looking at right now is the exact same submersible that imploded and killed 5 people. And also any footage you see of Stockton, of course, you know, he's passed away by now.
Tell them we're at 600 feet.
Titan is ready for dive.
Stockton's like, hold on, everybody. I guess we're about to go head first like this.
Here we go.
Oh, we're going right now. Oh, watch out for the toilet. Oh, we're doing it. Oh my Jesus.
You're good.
We are all upside down right now, you guys. Look at that. We're underwater. So we're officially underwater in a submarine right now. 33 feet, I believe, right? 10 meters. Yeah.
33 feet.
You ready for unlock, or are we unlocked? Is he saying we are unlocked, or are we ready for unlock?
Yes, say give him an okay. Give him an in the dome.
So what does that mean?
Looks like
He's going to go
locks.
pull the mechanical lock, and we're going to see how the pneumatic lock is doing. And there's a chance we'll pop off.
Still no pings from the top side.
Hey Stockton, what are you using to control the submarine? Look!